Jesus?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Almond. Because Jesus got the curl hair, right?
Okay guys, I just got back home from getting the acrylic taken off my nails. So these are my nails, my real nails. It looks so much better. I know my hands looking a little ashy and dry. I must say the person that did my nails, he did a great job. Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, today's video is just me showing you guys how I plan on caring for my natural nails. Guys, I apologize ahead of time if you can hear that noise outside. I have some of my windows up in my home and it's picking up all the noises outside, cars and just everything. So try to block that out. I got acrylic nails maybe 2 months ago, and I got a fill in maybe twice. I would get them filled in like once every 3 weeks. And I decided to just take them off because I just rather have natural nails. I mean, to be totally honest, my nails do not grow at all. Like they'll grow a little bit and then they'll split on the sides. However, I got acrylic nails, but when I get them, I would get them really short because I do a lot of typing for work. And plus, I just think shorter nails to me look better. It's more, I don't know, to me, just better hygiene, I guess, when you have shorter nails, because I just can't see myself having real long nails. It's like, how can you do anything? And then when you cook, you know, your nails get really dirty anyway, even when you have short nails. And when you have long nails, all that stuff get in your nails and people be cooking and it's just a lot. So what I decided to do, I was like, you know what, me personally, I just like my natural nails. You are someone who has ever had acrylic nails or gel nails or whatever the case may be, and you know when you get the acrylic taken off, your nails are very brittle, and my nails are brittle. So this is what my nails are looking like at the moment. So yeah, so the previous slide is just me at the nail salon getting the nails taken off, well, getting the acrylic taken off. And guys, to be totally honest, the man that took the acrylic, I don't know what that is, but that's been going on lately. Sorry about that. But the man that took the acrylic off my nails, what he did was he clipped the tip of the nail and then he just drilled some of the acrylic off, and then I had to set my hands in acetone and then he would drill it some more. As you guys can see, my nails are pretty smooth. And my nails were actually long. He said, do you want me to cut them? I said, sure. He said, just because they're long. I said, I know they're real brittle and snaggy. So he cut them, and this is what they're looking like now. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I am getting ready to file my nails down. And then I'm going to add some vitamin E to my nails. And then I'm going to add a top coat. Vitamin E oil that I'm going to use. I have like 2 bottles of vitamin E oil because this is really good. I really like this vitamin E oil. So what I'm going to do is just add this to my nails. And this is actually vitamin E nail and cuticle oil. So I'm going to just add it to my nails like I'm painting my nails. Go around the cuticle. And then I'm going to also take it and just go under here. Just to get under the nail because I want it to be the full nail. Let my hand sit here for a while and just let it, you know, just soak up some of the oil, and then I'll rub it in. Guys, so now that I have let the oil sit on my nails, what I'm going to do is just massage it in. Just massage it on my hand. There we go. Just massage it on my nail. Just get all around the side. Get up under your nail. Okay. And a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to put as much oil on your fingers as I have, but like I said, my nails was covered with acrylic for over 2 months, so I know my nails just need some tender loving care, and ain't nothing wrong with it. I don't mind. So just massage it all around. Okay. And my nails, to be honest, guys, it's a little sore. They are a little sore, like when I put a little pressure on them. My fingers are a little tender. My nails looking a whole lot better already. Don't they look better already? See that? See how much better it's looking? They're not looking so dry. And yes, I know I saturated my fingernails with the oil, but that's a good thing. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm just massaging my hands. Just massaging my hands, massaging my fingers, massaging my nails. Just getting some of that blood to flow to my fingers. All right. It look and feel so much better already. Okay, my chat partners, so also what I eat and drink will also affect my nail growth. So I read that lemons is really good to help your nails get stronger and to help them grow. So of course I do drink lemon water, but I am going to incorporate and start drinking more lemon water. Overall, lemon and water is good for nail health. So I'm just going to cut me up a lemon and just squeeze the juice and then just put the rind in. Of course, I already washed the outside of the lemon off. Guys, make sure you always wash the outside of your lemons before you put them in water. Limes as well. So I'm going to try to drink as much lemon water as I can every day. Excuse Princess over there coughing while she drinking. I guess she wanted to drink her some water as well because I'm drinking some. Okay, my chat partners. So As you guys can see, I made me some lemon water. I'm gonna try to drink that as often as I can. And also just drinking water in general is gonna help with nail growth and to help my nails get stronger. And also certain foods that you eat can also help with nail growth. Some of the foods that will help with nail growth and to help your natural nails get stronger have avocados is good for nail growth. Sweet potatoes are good. Kale is really good to eat. Spinach is good to eat as well. Eggs are good to eat. And I'm just showing you guys just certain foods that I have at home right now that I have in my house that I'm going to use. Well, not use, but food that I'm going to cook just in general to eat. And plus these foods will help with making my nails stronger and help with nail growth. And since I don't eat any meat, this is the protein that's going to help me. And also beans. And I do have like black beans in the pantry, chickpeas in the pantry. So I do have beans. I have some black eyed peas. I guess that's a bean. I think it's a bean. It's in the bean family. Also, so those are some of the foods that I am going to incorporate and try to eat more of to help my nails grow and get stronger. Princess, can you stop dangling, baby? Thank you. Vitamins are key. And I have a lot of vitamins up here, guys, so don't judge. Vitamins that are good for nail growth are, I have some biotin. And it says on here, hair, skin, nail health. So I have biotin. Iron vitamins are good as well, so I have some iron. B12 is good for nail growth, so I have some B12. Vitamin D is good as well. I just wanted to give you guys just an example of different foods that you can eat and just things you can drink, such as water with lemon to help with, you know, your nail growth. Also, olive oil is good. And I actually cook with olive oil. Olive oil, coconut oil, both are good for nail growth. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys that. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. Also, comment down below and let me know if you are someone who just rock your natural nails and what type of nail polish or what type of, do you put like any oil or what do you use for your nails, and what do you eat and what do you drink and what type of vitamins you take for your natural nails to keep them healthy, strong, so they can grow and just, yeah, just be fantastic all around. Guys, you know what? I'm proud of myself, and I'm going to say, I'm going to pat myself on the shoulder because I don't know, it's just something about the natural look. It's nothing wrong with acrylic nails, gel nails, and all that kind of stuff because I have worn them. But to me, just my natural nails just fit better, and I just know that I need to take better care of my nails so they can grow. And even if my nails don't grow but so long, I still just want to just take better care of them because as a woman, it looks nice when your hands look nice. You look nice, you feel nice when your hands look nice. This video, and I hope y'all like my natural nails. I know I do. Comment down below if you're a natural nail girl. All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to end this video. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.